SASWELL. Welcome to our SASWELL video. Today we are going to meet a new world-mount thermostat for boiler and electronic heating. They are sensor T19 and receiver 2011. The concept of this thermostat comes from piano. T19 have large LCD displays and touch key. It can controlled by wireless and full remote control. Alright, let me show you how this nice and practical thermostat is installed in your home.
Open the panel. As you can see, two terminals in the panel. The left one is signal terminal, the right one is power supply terminal. While power supply terminal N and L to connect power, and while COM and non terminal to connect signal.
After wiring 2011 receiver, we connect the boiler to the receiver. First, open the boiler panel.
Open the boiler panel, we can see the boiler signal terminal. Run the receiver signal line into boiler signal terminal.
After wiring, you can use 3M type of screw install the receiver on the wall. Then close the panel.
Install T19. Open the panel. There are three switches for power supplier. First is battery, the second is USB, the third one is wiring. Now, we use battery for reference.
Now we're going to match code. Long press the receiver power key, the yellow line will on, and long press the sensor time key during the off statitude. When the receiver lines flash, match code safely. Turn on the receiver and sensor. Then you can control the temperature.
Wi-Fi control. Before connect the Wi-Fi to the thermostat needs to get the power connection. Connect Wi-Fi, then we download app. Search thermostat. Choose SASWELL thermostat. After download, open app. Click register, put your email and set up password. Then you will receive an email. Activate, then you can log in. Before connection, ensure the thermostat in hot mode. Enter the Wi-Fi setting. Select thermostat number to connect the Wi-Fi. After the connection, enter the app. Then we connect the thermostat into Wi-Fi. Put your Wi-Fi password. Then you can control the temperature on the phone.
This nice and practical thermostat. Do you like it? If you like it, please feel free to contact us.